Mr. Maximo Duterte Bautista and Cheryl Ramirez Casresi, and the grandson of Mr. and Mrs. Zar Casresi. Our first friend wants to become a doctor someday. He loves dancing and cooking. He lives in the city. Empower your dreams one step at a time. Our first friend, Mark Chilo Casresi Bautista. Let's give him a big, big hand. Ladies and gentlemen, our first princess, Clarity Rose Nino Anciro. He is the only child of Mr. Paul P. Anciro